And, Ray, I'm really, really grateful. There's a lot of people out there, especially during the last 9-10 months in COVID, that are wrestling, whether it's anxiety, yours truly, whether it's depression, whether it's just feeling isolated, whether it's, losing work, and my heart breaks. At the same time, there's a lot of people out there that don't know where to invest during COVID. You've been steady. You've been continuing to invest in cash flowing properties. And so I'm very grateful that you're going to take an opportunity, take a whole day actually, and teach people what you love about real estate investing and the specific projects that, or types of investments rather, because, there's no upsell here. We're just doing this to be able to give back. So thank you, Rae, for doing that